Energy costs keep rising, and the energy production practices harm the environment. Fighting the utility companies won't fix these problems, but you can, and we can help. At EnLight Energy, we're making utility companies obsolete by helping families like yours go solar. Our solar panels have a nice, clean design, and our engineering team takes pride in how things look. We help increase your property value, and there's tons of tax benefits. The other benefits are they come with an all-around 25-year warranty, they're great for the environment, and you'll offset tons of carbon. Better yet, you own your power instead of throwing it away and renting it from the electric company. In fact, after installation and your system's turned on, you're gonna be locked in at a lower rate and you're gonna start saving money. Regardless of the amount of bills piling up, solar has never been more affordable than it is today, and it's a great option to start saving money. We provide low interest rates, and you can get paid through our referral program with your friends and family by helping them go energy independent. At EnLight Energy, we're here to educate, help you save money, all while helping the environment. Click the link below and fill out the form so we can reach out to you so you can have a better understanding of how going solar works for you.